Hello everyone, how to simplify this nice algebraic expression. So if we have 100 square plus 81 square plus 19 to the power of 4 divided by 2 and its whole square root. So we need to simplify this algebraic expression. So here you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. So here we will do all of the working on this page. So the very first step we are going to do is here first we need to rewrite this algebraic expression as in this form. So here you see that we have this is 100 square and we write our 100 as 10 square and its whole square. We write this 100 as 10 square and we place this square here, and similarly we write this 81 as 9 square and its whole square plus we write this 19 to the power of 4 divided by 2. Okay, so in the next step you see here we need to use the nice exponent law. So according to this exponent law, you see here if we have a to the power of m to the power of n, it is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by n. So according to this exponent law, we need to multiply these two exponents and it will be written as a square root of 10 to the power of 4 plus 9 to the power of 4 plus 19 to the power of 4, and it is divided by 2. Okay, so further here we need to take x is equals to, here we need this substitution. Now we take x is equals to 10 and y is equals to 9. So this implies that if we add these two values, so we have x plus y equals to 10 plus 9 equals to 19. So now we replace these values in the above algebraic expression, so that our above algebraic expression is written as this is 10 to the power of 4. So over 10 is equals to x, it will becomes x to the power of 4. Similarly y equals to 9, so this will be written as y to the power of 4, and here we replace this 19 equals to x plus y to the power of 4, and it is divided by 2. And now in the next step here we need some simplification. Now we need to expand this term, which is x plus y to the power of 4. And now here first we need to write the product of all of these values. So here first we write this is x to the power of 4 and y to the power of 0. And now in the next step you just decrease the powers of x and increase the powers of y up to 4. So here in the next step we decrease x to the power of 4 and we write x cube, and we increase y, so y to the power 0, so it will becomes y to the power of 1. And in the next step we again decrease x power, it is x square, and we increase y power, it is a y square. Similarly we again decrease x power, it will becomes x, and increase y power, it will becomes y cube. And finally we write we decrease x power, it will becomes x to the power of 0, and we increase y power and it will becomes y to the power of 4. So now here we need to write the coefficient of this equation. So now in order to write the coefficients we need to apply the tree method. So in tree method you see here the exponent, the highest exponent is 4, so it means that we expand this tree up to the 5 term. We increase one term which we have the highest power. So this is 4 power, we can draw a tree which of tree of length 5. Okay, so this is 1, we write here 1 here and 1 here. So we again write this 1 here and we add these two values, 1 plus 1 2, we write this 1. So again we write this 1 here, 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 1 3, and we write 1 here. So this is the tree of length 4, but now we can draw tree of length 5. So we have this is 1, 1 plus 3 4, 3 plus 3 6, 3 plus 1 4, and this is our 1. So we can place these coefficients on each of these terms. So first we can write the coefficient in the first term is 1, the next term coefficient is 4, next term coefficient is 6, next term is 4, and at the last is 1. Okay, so we will just write this expression as into the simplified form. This is x to the power 4 because y to the power of 0 is 1, plus this will be written as 4 times of x cube and y, plus this is 6 times of x square y square. This will becomes 4 times of x y cube, and at the last we have x to the power of 0 is 1 and we get y to the power of 4. So now here we need to replace x plus y to the power of 4 equals to this one into the above expression. So that our above expression is written as in this form: square root of x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 plus we put the value of x plus y to the power 4. It is x to the power of 4 plus 4 times of x cube y plus 6 times of x square y square plus 4 times of x y cube and y to the power of 4, and this whole term is divided by 2. So here we need more simplifications, and now we write this expression as in this form. So this is x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 4 equals to 2 times of x to the power of 4. Similarly, y to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 equals to 2 times of y to the power of 4. And here you have 4 times of x cube y and 6 times. We can write the remaining terms here. First we write this term, we write it as 4 times of x cube y plus 6 times of x square y square plus 4 times of x y cube, and it is divided by 2. So if you see here in each of the above term, we will just break this fraction and we write these two separately on each of these term, and it will be written as 2x to the power of 4 divided by 2 plus 2y to the power of 4 divided by 2 plus 4x cube y divided by 2 plus 6x square y square divided by 2 plus 4xy cube divided by 2. So here we need more simplification. This 2 is cancelled out by this 2, this 2 is cancelled out by this 2. So we have x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 plus this is 2 times of 2 is 4. We get 2 times of x cubed y plus these are also cancelled by each other. 2 3s are 6. We get 3 times of x square y square plus this is again 2 times of 2 is 4, and we get 2 times of x into y cubed. So now in the next step here we need to break this 3x square y square in this form. In order to make the completing square of this term, we write this x to the power of 4 as x square and its whole square. We write this y to the power of 4 as y square and its whole square. So we break this 3x square y square as we write 2 times of x square y square and plus x square y square, and we get the remaining two terms are 2 times of x cubed y plus 2 times of x y cubed. Okay, so if you focus on this term, this will be makes the completing square of this term. So we write it as x square plus y square and its whole square plus the remaining terms are this is x square and y square and plus, and here we need to take common 2xy, and here we take common 2xy from these two terms and we get the remaining terms are x square plus y square. Okay, so if you focus on this term, so we have this is a square plus this is b square plus this is 2 times of this value is b and this value is a. So this will becomes again the completing square of a plus b. So here our a is x square plus y square and b is our xy only and its whole square. So if you can expand this whole square, you can get here this whole square. Okay, so that now you see that these two and square root are gone, and we will obtain here x square plus y square plus xy. And now we need to back substitute the value of x and y. So the value of x is 10, it will becomes 10 square. The value of y is 9 square plus this is 10 times of 9. So 10 square equals to 100, 9 square equals to 81, and 10 times of 9 becomes here 90. So when you add all of these values, it will become here 271. This is our final answer of this problem. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.